Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Tom, and I'm David. We're so happy you're here with us today. Thank you for learning English with us. Yes, and today we talk about something very useful. English at the airport. Travel English. Simple English. Real English. If you ever travel or dream of traveling, these phrases will help you a lot. And hey, if you like learning English with us, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and leave a like. It really helps our little English family grow. Both. Let's start. Main chat, airport English. We break this into friendly sections. Every section has listen, practice, repeat, dialogue. Example. Number 1, phrases at check-in. Okay, first place, check-in counter. The first thing you usually say is, phrase 1, I have a reservation. Simple, repeat after us. Both, I have a reservation. It means you booked your ticket already. Example, my name is Tom. I have a reservation to London. Great. Another important phrase is phrase 2, I'd like to check in, please. Both, I'd like to check in, please. Very polite, very easy. Example, I'd like to check in, please. Here is my passport. Listen and repeat session. Let's practice these 2 phrases again. Both, I have a reservation. I'd like to check in, please. Both, normal, I have a reservation. I'd like to check in, please. Good job. You're doing amazing. Hello. Passport, please. Sure, I have a reservation. I'd like to check in, please. Perfect. Learning already. Number 2, talking about luggage. At the airport, we talk a lot about bags. Let's learn some easy phrases. I have 1 bag. Both. I have 1 bag. You can change the number. 1 bag. 2 bags. No bags. Phrase 4. Do I need to pay for this bag? Both. Do I need to pay for this bag? Very useful because some airlines charge extra money. Listen and repeat session. I have 1 bag. Do I need to pay for this bag? I have 1 bag. Do I need to pay for this bag? Mini dialogue. I have 1 bag. Do I need to pay for this bag? No, sir. It is free. Number 3, security check. Now, let's talk about security check. Phrase 5. Do I need to remove my shoes? Both. Do I need to remove my shoes? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Phrase 6. I have a laptop in my bag. I have a laptop in my bag. Security officers need to know this. Practice session. Both. Do I need to remove my shoes? I have a laptop in my bag. Both. Do I need to remove my shoes? I have a laptop in my bag. Do you have any electronics? Yes, I have a laptop in my bag. Do I need to remove my shoes? Great! You sound like a real traveler now. Number 4, finding your gate. After security, we look for our gate. Phrase 7, where is gate 12? Where is gate 12? Very easy, just change the number. Phrase 8, how do I get to my gate? How do I get to my gate? Where is gate 12? How do I get to my gate? Both, normal. Where is gate 12? How do I get to my gate? Excuse me, where is gate 12? Go straight, then turn left. Number 5, asking about time. Travel means timing. Let's learn simple questions. Phrase 9, what time does the plane leave? Both, what time does the plane leave? Phrase 10, is the flight on time? Is the flight on time? Both. What time does the plane leave? Is the flight on time? Both, normal. What time does the plane leave? Is the flight on time? Mini dialogue. Is the flight on time? Yes, boarding starts soon. Number 6, boarding the plane. Here are 2 more very common phrases. Phrase 11, is boarding started? Is boarding started? Phrase 12, here is my boarding pass. Both, here is my boarding pass. Practice session. Is boarding started? Here is my boarding pass. Mini dialogue. Is boarding started? Tom, yes. Please show me your boarding pass. Here is my boarding pass. Number 7, inside the plane. Inside the plane, simple English helps. Phrase 13, where is my seat? Where is my seat? Phrase 14, can you help me with my bag? Both, can you help me with my bag? Both, where is my seat? Can you help me with my bag? Mini dialogue. Can you help me with my bag? Of course. Let me put it up for you. Repeat review session. Okay, friends, let's quickly review all airport phrases. Both slow and clear. 1, I have a reservation. 2, I'd like to check in, please. 3, I have one bag. 4, do I need to pay for this bag? Do I need to remove my shoes? 6, I have a laptop in my bag. 7, where is gate 12? 8, how do I get to my gate? 9, what time does the plane leave? 10, is the flight on time? 11, is boarding started? 12, here's my boarding pass. 13, where is my seat? 14, can you help me with my bag? Nice. You did great, really great. If you listened and repeated, your English is already stronger. We're proud of you. Learning a language is a journey, and you're doing it. Wrap up. Thank you for spending your time with us. We hope these travel phrases help you feel relaxed and confident at the airport. Remember, listening again and again will help you speak better. You can replay this episode anytime. And now, a fun question for you. Community question. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go? Tell us in the comments. We want to know your dream destination. Thank you, friends. Keep learning. Keep smiling. Number 8, Inside the Plane, Part 2. Inside the plane, we talk to the cabin crew, to the person next to us, and sometimes we ask for help. Let's learn simple phrases you can use anytime. Phrase 1, excuse me, is this seat taken? Repeat after us. Both, excuse me, is this seat taken? You say this when you want to sit and check if someone is already sitting there. Example, excuse me, is this seat taken? No, you can sit here. Phrase 2, can I change my seat? Can I change my seat? Maybe you want a window seat. Maybe you want an aisle seat. You can ask politely. Example, can I change my seat? I prefer a window seat. Phrase 3, can I get some water? Both, can I get some water? David, very important. On flights, we say water, juice, tea, coffee. Example, can I get some water, please? Phrase 4, can I have a blanket? Can I have a blanket? Tom, simple and polite. Example, can I have a blanket? Is a little cold. Phrase 5, can you help me find my seat? Both, can you help me find my seat? Use this when you feel confused or you cannot see the seat number. Example, can you help me find my seat? I am in seat 14A. Practice. Listen and repeat. Is this seat taken? Can I change my seat? Can I get some water? Can I have a blanket? Can you help me find my seat? Is this seat taken? Can I change my seat? Can I get some water? Can I have a blanket? Can you help me find my seat? Very good. You're doing great. Minnie Dai the plane. Excuse me, is this seat taken? David, no, you can sit here. Thank you. Can I change my seat later? Maybe. You can ask the cabin crew. Okay, and can I get some water, please? Of course. One moment, sir. Number 9, food and service on the plane. Now let's learn phrases for food and service. Phrase 6, what meals do you have? Both, what meals do you have? Many flights have vegetarian meal, chicken meal, and sometimes a special meal. Example, what meals do you have? I want a vegetarian meal. Phrase 7, can I have vegetarian food? Both, can I have vegetarian food? Very common in India and many countries. Phrase 8, can I get an extra napkin? Both, can I get an extra napkin? A napkin is a tissue for wiping your hands. Phrase 9, I don't understand. Can you repeat that? I don't understand. Can you repeat that? This phrase is gold. You can use it anywhere. Airport, taxi, hotel, restaurant. Phrase 10, everything is okay. Thank you. Everything is okay. Thank you. Very friendly, very polite. Practice session, Tom. What meals do you have? Can I have vegetarian food? Can I get an extra napkin? I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Everything is okay. Thank you. What meals do you have? Can I have vegetarian food? Can I get an extra napkin? I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Everything is okay. Thank you. Mini dialogue meals on the plane. Hello, sir. What meal do you want? What meals do you have? We have chicken and vegetarian. Can I have vegetarian food? Of course. Anything else? Can I get an extra napkin? Sure. Here you go. 10. Comfort and travel feelings. Now let's learn phrases for comfort. Phrase 11. I don't feel well. Both. I don't feel well. Use this if you feel sick. Phrase 12. Can I get some medicine? Can I get some medicine? Phrase 13. How long is the flight? Both. How long is the flight? David, perfect for talking to the person next to you. Phrase 14, is there Wi-Fi on the plane? Both, is there Wi-Fi on the plane? Phrase 15, can I stretch my legs? Both, can I stretch my legs? I don't feel well. Can I get some medicine? How long is the flight? Is there Wi-Fi on the plane? Can I stretch my legs? I don't feel well. Can I get some medicine? How long is the flight? Is there Wi-Fi on the plane? Can I stretch my legs? Mini comfort dialogue. I don't feel well. Oh, I'm sorry. Can I get you some water or medicine? Yes, can I get some medicine? Sure. Also, you can stretch your legs if you want. Wrap up. Great job, friends. Today we learned many new phrases for inside the plane. You are really improving. If you repeat these phrases often, you will speak confidently during your next trip. Now, a fun question for you. Community question. Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat? Tell us in the comments. We want to know. See you in the next episode. Keep learning. Keep smiling. Both. Bye-bye.